Right, so we want to connect ChatGPT with Webflow. Now, most likely the reason why you want to do this is to be able to produce blog posts and content using ChatGPT and then send them to your Webflow site. Amazing. Now, I'm going to show you even a better way, which is not connecting ChatGPT, but connecting Journalist AI, which is able to generate articles like the ones you see here, right? You're not able to generate this with ChatGPT, right? Articles with featured images, in-article images with internal links, external links, even in-article videos that are relevant to what the content is about, right? All this is done not using ChatGPT, but a custom AI tool, which is called Journalist AI. And all the things you see here, all these ones are articles generated with AI, with in-article images, featured images, tables of contents, right? Proper content structuring with internal links, external links. In-article videos are relevant to what the content is about, right? This article is about dog grooming, and the video, of course, is about dog grooming itself, right? All this is done with AI, and I can skim through the articles that I've generated in the past, right? And I can just click here and post them straight to my Webflow site. Just go here and select Webflow site and click post to my Webflow site. Super easy, super straightforward. And again, the articles look like this. Now, how you do this is you go to tryjournalist.com, scroll down, click on integrations, new integration, Webflow, and you just fill this in, right? Name this whatever you want. Let me just name it my Webflow site 1, right? Add your API token, which is super easy. Just go here to watch the tutorial. It's like a 30-second video, actually a 3-minute video, but it's super straightforward on how to do it. Add this here and then connect this and click create, right? Once it's created, just go to integrations and it should show up here, right? Over here. This is my Webflow site right here. As you can see, it's all filled up, right? Now, then what you do is just go to generate articles, right? And fill all this in, right? This is essentially the same info you give to ChatGPT, right? But these are the prompts, right? Instead of telling it, write an article about XYZ, just go here and fill all these prompts, right? The first prompt, of course, is the number of articles you want to generate. Let's do 300, for example, and you fill this from top to bottom, right? Now, before I show you this, I want to show you how easy it is to actually post the articles to Webflow. Just go here to history. So as after you generate, the articles will show up in your history tab. Go here and just click view and click post to Webflow site. Boom, that's done, right? Now, if you have multiple articles, for example, like the ones that I showed you before, there were multiple ones. For example, this is a batch of 3. Instead of me just going here and clicking post to my Webflow site, next, post to Webflow site, next, post, I can just click here, and publish all to integration all at the same time. So 3 of them will be posted to my Webflow site. Now, if you want to add delay between the postings, you can. So it's straightforward. Just go to integrations and choose the delay. But what if you want to automate the process, right? What if you want to create an automatic blog? So go here, new auto blog. And what you do here, essentially what you can do is you can connect this AI with your Webflow site, right? This is connected directly with your Webflow site. And you can choose how many articles you want the AI to produce, right? Let's do 300 and select every month, week, day, 12 or 6 hours. Now, most people just do 5, right? 5 per week. So Monday through Friday. And again, the AI will generate 6 posts and publish them to your Webflow site Monday through Friday, right? So every week, right? And all these posts, if we expand on these posts, as you saw before, all of them will have a featured image, a table of contents, proper content structure with in-article images, in-article videos, internal links. So these articles will interlink between each other in a way that makes sense, of course. External links, so linking out to other authority sources in the niche. Bullets, tables, quotes, all this done for you, just like you saw here, right? This is all done with this AI, right? But directly to your Webflow site. And on top of that, if you want, it also indexes the content for you in Google automatically. Just go here to indexers, set up a new indexer, and as soon as an article is published to your Webflow site, we'll automatically send it to Google for fast indexing. Now, on top of that, that's I right here. It also does, that's a plus, it also does content syndication. So every single time an article is posted to your Webflow site, we automatically syndicate it to your social media. That's LinkedIn, that's your Facebook page, that's your Twitter or X profile, all this done on autopilot, which you can do by going just here to social media and connecting your social medias. Now, finally, on top of that, we also do the keyword research for you. So if you don't know what type of content you want to generate, we allow you to make keyword research based on your domain and then leverage the keyword research to produce content based on those keywords. Super simple, just go to keyword monitors, add your site right here, add your site, add the language, add the country, and we'll give you keywords, right, with the monthly search, the difficulty, right, how hard are they to rank on Google, and you can produce content based on these keywords. Now, to produce the content, just go here to generate articles. And like I said, this is the input you have to give to the AI. The better the input, the better the output. Now, if you start from the bottom, just do 300 articles. And then, do you want to use in your articles? If you do, just enable this. Do you want images? If you do, just enable in-article images and featured images. Then you can select the type of images you want, stock photos, Google images, custom images, or AI-based images. If you do choose AI-based images, you can select the prompt, right? So realistic, illustrative, black and white, you can play around with this. Then external linking, right? Do you want external links in your site? If you do, just enable this, right? There's a bunch of advanced options which I won't dive too deep into right now. Internal linking, do you want internal linking? So do you want your articles to interlink between other posts you've done in the past or new posts? Just add your sitemap right here and then click test and preview. And this is all the links that are inside of your site that we will be interlinking to. For example, let's say you have an article about dog grooming, right? And then you have an article about dog leashes, right? There's going to be a link here linking out to this article. So it's the best way to do this is to actually test it out for yourself, but that's essentially how it works. Then structure, you can enable and disable all these sections right here. You can select the article length. You can even add a call to action to the bottom of your article. So if, for example, if you're selling on Shopify, you can have a custom tailored call to action section to your products, right? Even if you're in the service industry, for example, you're a plumber, you can have a custom call to action to people call your site and book a call and book a meeting with you, right? Formatting, you can enable and disable all this. Knowledge, you can even connect this to the web so that the content is up to date, right? It isn't generic. By the way, speaking of generics, you can connect your knowledge base. So if you go here to knowledge base, you can connect this AI, right? You can connect the Journalist AI brain, and you're able to, it connects with your brand. It learns about your brand, learns about your site, learns about everything related to your brand, and it's able to produce brand-tailored content. So non-generic AI content, right? Using your brand's tone of voice, your brand's mannerisms, which is something that ChatGPT doesn't really do, right? On top of course, the ability that ChatGPT doesn't have of adding images to your articles, links, and all this, which is quite cool. Then content, of course, you can select the language. There's over 150 different languages. You can select the target country, creativity levels, right? Change tone of voice, change the point of view. You can even add custom instructions right here. And finally, the generation mode. You can select how you want to generate articles, to generate articles, which essentially can be based on a description, based on titles, based on keywords, or based, of course, on the keyword monitor. So based on this little keyword research we did, again, you can take the keywords that Journalist AI gives you and generate content based on those keywords. That's it. Super quick. Hopefully I didn't speak too fast, but that's exactly how you can connect this AI with your Webflow site. Now, I understand you clicked on this video for ChatGPT, but if you're just using ChatGPT for basically article creation, like these ones you see right here, Journalist AI is a better option because, again, it allows you to create articles with in-article images, internal links, external links, featured images, in-article videos, so all this done for you automatically. And on top of that, of course, you can set up an auto blog so it runs in the back on autopilot. It's generating and posting content for you every single day, week, month. It's syndicating it to social media. It's indexing it on Google. All this automatically done for you. So yeah, that's it. That's the video. I'll leave a link for this in the description. It's called tryjournalist.com. Give it a go. If you like it, let me know. If you don't like it, let me know as well. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.